Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Foxit PDF Reader not printing on Windows. First, open Foxit PDF Reader and open the PDF file that you want to print. Next, click on File and then select Print. The print window will open. Here, make sure the correct printer is selected from the Printer drop-down menu. Under Print Range, select all pages if you want to print the entire document. Now look at the top section of the print window and find the Print as Image option. Check the box next to Print as Image. After that, click OK to print the document. Printing the PDF as an image can often solve problems caused by fonts, graphics, or complex PDF files. If the document still does not print, close Foxit PDF Reader completely. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, find Foxit PDF Reader, and click End Task. Open Foxit PDF Reader again and try printing the PDF one more time. In many cases, enabling Print as Image and restarting the application will fix the printing problem. That's it. You have successfully learned how to fix Foxit PDF Reader not printing on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.